My name is Mohammed Habeeb. I'm from Maldives. I'm now 52. 19 years captain and boat diver.
Yeah.
I'm diving instructor in Maldives. I go to always swim in underwater. I'm a diver.
Yeah.
Always diving. Dive is my hobby. I'm always love to see in some shark, many kind of fish. It's always very fresh job. I think is dive.
Always different.
Yeah, always different colors in the underwater.
Yeah.
Different color, different fish. Now is the started for surf.
Started.
Franco.
Yeah. Is it the
It's a
first?
Franco.
Is the first time you
Yeah, the
try
first time.
surf?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now
And
it's
you
started.
like mat surfing?
Yeah, I love. Yeah,
Yeah?
I love smart surf.
You like?
Maybe
Feeling
next
the
year I go to very fastly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fast on the way.
Yeah, fast on the way. Yeah. Very good.
Turn around, show me.
Yeah. I'm married. I have 4 children.